I don't know, Uncle Al. It doesn't look like it's working. Okay, folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm going to be pushing 60. You're older than most plastic toys or dinosaurs. Now remember, kappa. Right. Now, a lot of you people got the little message from Google and YouTube. Now, the bad thing, folks, sorry about the coughing, but Uncle Al's old and sick. This video is called Bad Guys Are Winning and Bolt Bag Part 2. Now, this is part of the Bad Guys Winning. I could do about 10 or 20 different videos on the subject, but I'm not a young chicken anymore. I'm kind of an old fart. So this is what's going on. The bad guys are winning. They took over Virginia, and it's mostly urban Virginia they took over. It isn't rural Virginia because I have friends in there, and they said nobody voted for them, and they have also the highest amount of dead cats voting for Democrats. So we can't talk about that because it's political. Yeah, that's true, Uncle Al. And you're not getting paid like these expensive journalists who makes millions and millions of dollars. And you get, well, I don't know what the hell you get. He gets jacked, you know what? Funny. My imagination, kids. Now, I tell everybody, boys and girls and kids, it's an act, a comedy act. So the real people don't think Uncle Alan's really a threat, or they'll be kicking down my door and pointing machine guns at me. So please go check out Will Patriot 1776 giveaway. Help him out, folks. All right. Tell him Uncle Alan sent you over there, and you're going to help out. Next thing, I hate trolls. We have a lot of people that didn't listen the first time I went over this, so we're going over it fast. See all that information there? Now, if you could do it with rotation only, no spreadsheets, no donations, no books, good. But you're not going to survive more than 6 months. Okay, I did the paperwork and I know what's going on. And what you're doing is basically hoarding food to rot away or goof up or something's going on because you have no clear idea. Okay, we'll put that one back over here. Please check out these channels right here. Okay, and my friend West Wind Survival. Check them out. Check all these people out. Tell them Uncle Alan sent you over there, especially Will Patriot and Modern Refugee. I feel really sorry for Modern Refugee because you're in the middle of the Arctic blast and things won't change for another 2 weeks. But nobody ever listens to Uncle Al. That's fine. Again, your future, my past. So I don't really care. And a lot of you guys don't understand. Okay? There's now 185 million bad guys in the US. Okay? That's 2.5 billion in the world. A lot of you don't have no idea what's going on. And everybody thinks Uncle Alan's crazy. That's fine. I don't care. Okay? Puppets are everywhere. And puppets don't eat. So you think about that puppet, or would you like to be called a Smurf? Okay? Don't play Rambo or Batman in the Boondocks. I have to stress this enough, okay? Because a lot of these big channels are playing either Rambo or they're playing Batman in the Boondocks. Now, you have to check out one channel. He only does like 100 videos, but he tests things, and I understand where he's coming from. And that's Dave of Southern Ohio Prepping. And Dave, I'm really sorry you live in Ohio. I have a lot of friends who live in Ohio, like Urban Grandpa Prepper in Cleveland, Ohio. A lot of these people are urban people and they don't know what the hell's going on. You're going to die horribly. Okay, we just got to go over a few more cardboard. Remember, folks, check out West Wind Survival Wayne's channel. We have 12 days, 12 gallons, 3 days worth of water. That's enough for 4 people, barely. Here. Don't forget to check out these folks, all my rations folks, before December 10th, and also years gone by. Because nobody ever reads the fine print. Nobody ever listens to crazy old Uncle Al. You know, wears funny hats, has funny animals, talks with a weird accent, looks kind of weird himself. Okay, this is the easiest part. Okay, start with a 3-day and work your way up. It's not hard. Okay, and you want to make sure you have 12 gallons of water. But nobody remembers that. Okay, don't forget, November is baking supply month. And if a lot of people notice in the supermarkets, things are getting a little hinky. All right, I went to 2 supermarkets. They've been moving around stuff and leave little signs that the stock has been temporarily out of order. And that was going on since August, and people still don't get it. So get your supplies what you need now. You better get your dry supplies. I told the underground and somebody else that I'll work out a simple one for them. That I don't have a good memory, I keep forgetting. And I gotta check on my time. Don't forget, check out AK Fab and Cheryl Hurst. Let's get them up to 500. And if anybody wants to donate a card to Cheryl Hurst, help them out. They still need gear, cash. Gear and cash, they're okay on clothes. So we need cash, gear. AK Fab needs 500 supporters. Cheryl Hirsch needs 500 supporters. She really needs it. She needs, like, I think, another 100 or 75 people. So please help out Cheryl and please help out AK Fab. Okay? And if you want to see a person that wasn't prepared and it's like Uncle Al, the old working poor, you go check out this lady at her channel. Okay, she's still got a lot of things going on, and she's going to get a big surprise in January. Check her out. Okay, don't forget to check out these folks right here. Time's running short, folks, so we'll flip this over. Now please check out these folks right here. Wayne Weaver is a really good guy. Please check him out. Tell him Uncle Alan sent you over there. We have Patriot Farm. Nice lady and her family. Check out her channel. We have Josh Connor. Josh, you better hurry because the bad guys are winning. Trey Azell, farmer. Yay, farmers. And we have Jasmine Garcia. She's one of the poor kids that Generation Y that doesn't know what's going on. Dragon Lady of the Philippines. She's on her trip to the Philippines. You're going to be safe. You're in the Philippines for the next 2 months. We have Kentucky Survival. You have bubble wrap for the windows. Prepared Camping from the UK, Rue. Get Rue up to 1,000. Candy Nana did some videos tonight. Really good. I like shrimp scampi, so please check them out. Sorry, kids, it's a long one. Don't forget my friend, Just in Time Prepping. We'll send him cash, help him out. I think tomorrow evening he's going to do, maybe, I'm not too sure. Just in Time Networking. Please check out his channel on that. Please check out these folks right here. Okay, help out Happy Prepper. Let's get him back up to 250. He's down to 160 because of what has happened, and I told you all that. Check out Hubble's Cat. Check out all these people. I hope you can see it. Okay. And then don't forget these people right here. Check them all out. Okay, and Reed's channel. Reed's good with electricity, so is Solar DUI Solar Homestead also. And make sure you say hello to Urban Grandpa Prepper. He lives in, I think, outskirts of Cleveland, Ohio. So you have to be really careful because he might not be there anymore because you would not believe how cold the storm's coming through. In about 2 weeks, it'll be nice and warm, except for the people in the Northeast, you'll all die. Okay, again, in a red state, you need 2,500. In a blue state, 4,800. That's cash. And you want $10,000 in passbook savings. I repeat this over and over again until it gets into your little head. And read books. Like my friend Dave of Southern Ohio Prepping, please check out his channel. Nobody reads books. Uncle Alan forced himself every day to read a book. It could be philosophy, it could be mathematics, it could be poetry, it could be cooking, history. I read books. I don't do videos, and I don't do Kindle, ebooks, YouTube. I read. I wake up 4:30 in the morning, work with the cows. If I'm not feeling hot, I'll sit in this chair and I'll sit here reading books until about 5 o'clock in the morning. Go try to help out my family at the farm. If not, I'm back in this chair reading books again until 7 o'clock. And I will take my walk. All right? They're worried that I might die. So if I die on the farm? So what if I die at the dairy? So what if I die in the orchards? I'm going to die anyway, so I might just be happy. Okay. Now, we got about 3 minutes, and we're going to rush down again to the bolt bag, part 2. And maybe I'll add another 5 minutes to this. But you want this just in case you cannot reach anything else. Okay, it's 1 day rations. All right. We have a small bag. It could be a pillowcase, gunny sack, whatever. But to haul all this, it doesn't have to be a tactical bag. It doesn't have to be something special. It's just basic stuff to carry all this. And this, I weighed it out. Okay, a change of clothes. All right, what you wear daily. A toque or knitted hat or a cap or something. And a light jacket. Okay, a waterproof map of your area. Common sense stuff. 2 energy bars, because you won't have time to cook anything. A bag of chews. I like Tootsie Rolls. And butterscotch candies. Okay, it's a marine thing. Okay, butterscotch or lemon drops, whatever. And 1 meal ready to eat. It's ready to go. It's sealed. I don't have to do anything except open it up, eat it, and go. An empty water bottle. All right. And cup, metal cup, in case I want to make tea or boil water. Extra batteries. AA or AAA. Nothing fancy, nothing rechargeable. You could get it anywhere in the world. Okay? Plain and simple. A tourniquet, a good one. You know, if it's not good, not high quality, don't get it. All right? You want a real tourniquet. Same thing goes with medical shears. You want to get real medical shears. Doesn't need to be too expensive, nor it could be too cheap or Chinese. You want an extra cell phone. Now, some places you won't get that, so we won't discuss it because I had people in England ask me, I can't afford a cell phone. Fine. This is a basic cell phone. You're not making movies or doing anything else. It's a burner text phone. You talk and text and maybe take 1 or 2 grainy pictures. Okay, it's a burner type. You want a pressure bandage. I like using Israeli. Okay? If you can't get a pressure bandage, get a tampon pad. There's a lot of fertile women out there and they do go on periods. So you have that for dual purpose. A tampon pad will stop bleeding on an open wound. Two, if you have a feminine hygiene problem, that'll stop that. Because Uncle Alan has to think of everything. And a lot of you kids, you can't do worse shit without one of these. Okay? And I'm not, like Dave says, I'm not talking to people toward you. Uncle Alan's trying to educate you because Uncle Alan's not going to make any profit. Uncle Alan's not going to hold it over your head. Uncle Alan's going to die. And if I do survive whatever apocalypse, how sick is Uncle Alan? If I don't get the proper medication within 1 year, you have to bury Uncle Alan. You got that? So I have to panic mode and really pound it into your brains. A steel cock key. That's $5. Go to the hardware store. It's a wrench with 4 connections that fit any steel cock in the city. You want an AA type flashlight, LDD type. Small one. Doesn't have to be tactical. Just need to throw light. And a headlamp, AAA. Now, there's other things and gadgets you can do to make it better and last longer, but these are lightweight. Everything you see here weighs less than 29 pounds altogether. Okay, there's another 5-pound item that I don't have listed because it's specialized and it's more for what Uncle Alan used to do a long time ago. Now, when we get down to here, okay, this is what Uncle Alan used to do in the old days. You need a handheld GPS, a burner type, that uses AA batteries. And then, kids, you want a multi-tool. Okay, everybody has a multi-tool. You want 2 credit cards, burner type. But a lot of people don't understand. Is it a prepaid card? If you don't know what a burner type credit card, don't ask. I won't mention it because you have no idea. And you need to go watch my finance series. Okay? You want cash and small bills about 1K. All right, a lot of places in the country don't take $100 bills. They'll take 20s, 10s, 5s, and 1s, sometimes 50s. But the $100 bill is getting to be counterfeited too much, so they're not taking it. So think about small bills, kids. Okay, this 117-round magazine, spare magazine, that's for Uncle Al. And then my favorite is, put this away, pull this out, have it. I'll grab this one. Always have some kind of folder. Is a lock blade or a buck 110. Now this is just a copy of a lock blade. All right. I don't goof around. I don't mess around. Okay. Any kind. This is linear lock. Okay. That's how you close it, Cheryl. You hit that button right there. Very simple. Easy as pie. Uncle Alan handles blades fairly fast, and this is it. But I'm not kidding, and I hope you got that. This is part 2, kids. I explained it twice, and I will explain again on the bolt bag. This is not a go-home bag. This is not a bug-out bag. This is a bolt bag. Everything else fails. You don't have your car kit. You don't have your bug-out kit. Everything at your house or location is gone. This is it. No other things you have on you. Everything's gone. You could go ask Dave of Southern Ohio Prepping. Once everything's gone, you're screwed. Okay? That's the bag you have. Okay, kids, I'll catch you later. Bye, kids. Night, kids.